Hello, traders and investors. Let's talk about the Philippine Stock Exchange Index or the PSEi as of market closing on Monday, November 14, 2022. My name is Jaycee the Guzman of Equilyst Analytics. The PSEi closed today at 6,354.76. It is up by 1.08% or 67.99 points. If we're going to look at this index according to its shorter term scale or the 10-day simple moving average, I would say that the PSEi is still bullish because the last price is still trading above the 10-day simple moving average. Now, if we're going to judge this one based on its longer term moving average, specifically the 200-day SMA, I would say that the PSEi still has a lot of work to do since the last price is still trading below the longer term simple moving average. Volume wise, I'm not seeing anything alarming about its volatility. For the past few days, and it's safe to say for the past few weeks also, that I've not seen any single day that has a volume less than the 50% of this indices 10-day volume average. Now, on its MACD, it still remains bullish. Also, I'm not seeing any formation of a bearish convergence between the MACD and the signal line. So, if we will limit our perspective on a short-term scale, I can say, according to the signals that I have read so far, that the upward movement of the index is more likely to continue unless there will be an international bearish catalyst specifically that might counter this domestic bullishness that the index has been showcased today so far. Today's total turnover value amounts to 5.41 billion pesos. There are 103 advances, 85 declines, and 39 unchanged issues. So that gives us a market breadth of, let's compute that, 103 divided by 85. That gives us a market breadth of 1.21 in favor of the advances. Still, I would say that this is a neutral sentiment. It's neither bullish nor bearish. The net foreign is in favor of the buyers. Today, the foreign buying amounts to 2.7 billion, while the foreign selling only amounts to 2.02 billion. That gives us a how much is that? More than 600 million pesos worth of net foreign buying. Among all indices, it is the holding sector that gained the most for today's closing at 1.41%, followed by industrial sector, the industrial sector at 1.25%, followed by the property sector at 1.2%. So far, only the mining and oil sector is down by 0.46%. So that's our update for the PSEi. And by the way, before I forget to mention that the PSEi has been on a net foreign buying status, on a daily net foreign buying status for 7 consecutive trading days. So we're hoping that this net foreign buying will continue for the next trading days, especially within this week, so that we can see the PSEi to continue to move towards the northward direction. The immediate support that I'm seeing is between 6,000 to 6,100. The immediate resistance that I'm seeing is between 6,300 to 6,400. At this point, the PSEi is already closer to the immediate resistance than its immediate support. even when it breaks above the immediate resistance at between 6,300 to 6,400, we will be seeing, we will be treating 6,800 to 6,900 as the next immediate resistance. So as of today, as of this very moment, Nasdaq is up. Nasdaq is up by 209.23 points. S&P 500 by 36.56 points. Dow Jones by 32.46 points. If this international bullish catalyst continues, we might see the PSEi piggyback by the next trading day. Okay, so as always, I would recommend that you keep your eye on your trailing stop. Don't forget to do an upward adjustment on your trailing stop every time the prevailing price of your stock moves higher. On the other hand, don't top up and don't enter on a new position unless and until there is a confirmed buy signal. If you are following my methodology here at Equilyst Analytics, make sure that your stock has a last price that is higher than its 10-day simple moving average, a MACD that is above its signal line, a volume that is higher than the 50% of the stock's 10-day volume average, a last price that is higher than the volume weighted average price or VWAP, a bullish market sentiment index, and a bullish dominant range index. If you are one of my subscribers, you can use one of your stock analysis credits to email me and request for my latest analysis according to my proprietary methodology. And don't forget that when you subscribe to my service, we will have a one-on-one training on my evergreen strategy. It will be an exclusive training between you and me online. For more details regarding my services, please visit my website at equilyst.com. Also, remember to subscribe, watch the videos, like the videos, and share them as well. You will find my YouTube channel at youtube.com/Equilyst. So in this channel, you will find different playlists, including the PSEi, the top traded stocks, worst losers, most viewed disclosures, dividends, analysis, strategy, and more. So that will be all for now. If you have questions, you may comment down in the comment section of this video. This has been Jaycee de Guzman of Equilyst Analytics, helping you learn how to prevent unbearable losses, preserve your capital, and protect your gains.